routine, hygiene are key to healthy life. Dear student, in this video, I am going to discuss following points. First, mosquito and diseases. Second, control of mosquitoes. Third, cockroaches. And fourth, rat. Dear student, mosquito, well aware about it. So I am going to explain you few a special type of the mosquito and disease caused by them. So the first type of mosquito is female Anopheles mosquito, which used to cause malaria, disease, and the pathogen carried by them by female Anopheles mosquito is Plasmodium. Let us see. Female Anopheles mosquito. Used to cause disease in human being is malaria, and the type of pathogen carried by them is Plasmodium. So this is the type of pathogen carried by female Anopheles mosquito, and the disease caused by them is malaria. Second, Culex mosquito. Used to spread the disease known as elephantiasis, commonly known as filaria or filariasis, and this is being caused by Culex mosquito. The type of the pathogen carried by Culex mosquito is Wuchereria bankrupti. So Wuchereria bankrupti is a type of pathogen carried by Culex mosquito, and the disease known as elephantiasis. In this disease, what happened? The particular part of the human body used to swell up. Means it used to swell and look like elephant leg. Means especially this swelling used to take place in leg only. So it is known as elephantiasis. Next is Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito used to cause the type of disease are yellow fever and dengue. So these are the few special type of mosquito which used to cause serious type of diseases. Next point, control of mosquitoes. So dear student, we can control mosquito in following ways. See the first, spraying. Second, elimination of the breeding place. Third, spraying on stagnated water. Fourth, biological control. So let us see spraying. Dear student, there are several types of insecticide chemicals are available in market, or DDT. Spraying of chemicals, insecticide and DDT, the number of mosquito can be minimized or they can be killed. So time to time we have to spray such type of the insecticide or DDT in public places so that the number of the mosquito can be decreased. Second is elimination of the breeding place. The places where the mosquito used to breed or grow or they increase in the number, that places should be completely destroyed. For example, suppose that any pond is there or the puddles are there where water is collected, so that area should be filled. If any garbage area is there and a dirty place is there, so it should be completely destroyed. So they should not get the place to grow. So elimination of the breeding place means all those places should be destroyed where the mosquito used to grow or breed. Spraying on the stagnated water. Dear student, stagnated water means the water which is not flowing. It is being collected at the particular place or in the particular that like the ponds or the puddle. What we have to do? Either we can spray or spread kerosene oil or some greasy type of the liquid which will kill the young one of mosquitoes and also destroy the egg of mosquito. So dear student, by spraying on stagnated water, what we have to spray or what we have to spread? Kerosene oil or some greasy type of the substance or the oil. When they will come up to take air, this type of the young one of mosquito will die, and in this way we can minimize their number. Fourth is biological control. Dear student, there is a special type of fish known as Gambusia. We can introduce that particular fish in the pond or the puddle where these mosquitoes are breeding. This fish has a special quality that it used to select the egg and the young one of mosquito, and this way also we can kill or completely finish the number of mosquito, dear student. So these are the following point. We can follow this following point and we can decrease the number or completely finish the life stage of the mosquito. Next point I am going to discuss cockroaches. Dear student, cockroaches are one of the worst type of the insects found in around the human being, especially in the kitchen or wardrobes or cupboard. The breeding place of this cockroach are connecting pipe or manholes or sewer pipe. Dear student, these are also one type of a special type of insects which used to cause serious type of disease. They used to carry some viruses, and also it is being detected or it is being known to the scientists that this cockroach used to spread virus of even cancer. Even the cancer virus are carried by the cockroaches, and also while in the kitchen during night time they used to just randomly move here and there and spoil the food what is being left. So we have to see that this type of the insect should not be in the kitchen. For that we have to take particular type of the proper precaution we have to take. Means certain type of the insecticide or the medicines or chemical we have to spray so that they may kill. They can be killed, and this way we can free from the cockroaches. Dear student, cockroach also used to cause serious type of disease by spoiling our food and by carrying the certain type of the pathogens or microorganism. So we have to be careful regarding cockroaches. Next is rats. Dear student, each year about the 1,000 tons of grains are being destroyed. So these are the special type of the pest. Certain type of the insecticide or rodenticide are available in the market. We can spread in the particular area or in the godowns or where we stock our food grains should be spread so that the rat can be killed. Dear student, this rat used to carry the rat fleas. This rat flea used to carry the certain type of the pathogen. Rat fleas are the parasite. Rat fleas are the parasite present in the rat body, and they used to carry certain type of the pathogen which can cause a serious type of disease like plague, and an epidemic type of the disease they can create or they may cause. So we have to see that as the number of rats are increasing or movement are being seen, then certain type of the chemicals or rodenticides, and we can take help of the medicines available in the market to kill them or to reduce their number, dear student. So in this video this much only. Please you read the topic and try to learn it. Thank you, dear students.